Hello, my name is Troy Epperson, and this is my website, oneononetrading.com. I've been doing trading and educating for many, many years, and if you're that guy that are almost break even, you're break even, you can't quite get over the line into profitability, maybe you could use a couple of hours of coaching that will really help maybe focus you and get you on your path to success. If so, please check out my website, oneononetrading.com, and I hope you enjoy the morning brief.
Hey, welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, March 30th. As you can see, we had final GDP quarter on quarter, which was less than expected. So this is actually bad for the economy, but good for the market because that means that the economy is slowing down. Therefore, the Fed can stop raising rates. So good news is bad news. Bad news is good news. Here we go again. Unemployment, 198,000 unemployment claims. Again, very, very slightly better than expected, but fractionally. Nothing to really affect the market there. Sub 200,000 is really bullish for the economy. And the labor market's been super strong. We're not seeing any dents in the labor market. So it just keeps chugging along. Final GDP price index, again, 3.9%. Is what it is. Natural gas storage at 10:30, and FOMC member Kashkari speaking at 1 p.m. Treasury Secretary Yellen speaking at 3:45. So a couple guys and women speaking today. So we'll want to be watching out for that. But most of the news has already come out here at 8:30. Looking at charts, the market has, to me, that right there, that high from a week ago, was a breakout point, and we are now above that. So we'll have to see if we can get a close above that. Then we would be, I would consider that the next leg up. A breakout is what it is. Where could it go? Could definitely see this swing high from, again, early March. 41.17. Downside, you get back to the POC or get back to yesterday's low, right around 4,005. Taking a look at the inventory. Inventory is actually kind of interesting because we've got more divergence. And anytime we have divergence, that means the market's not acting the way that it should. So we have price going up and we have inventory going down. And what is this? I think this is profit taking. Definitely some profit taking going into the GDP number this morning. So that would totally make sense. I don't think you can read anything else into it other than some profit taking going into the GDP number. GDP number was perfectly fine. And you can also see that at 8:30 here, 8:30, we did have a little reaction to the GDP, but relatively muted. We are at highs for the overnight session. And again, I'm looking for where our support and resistance areas. There's definitely resistance at 40.89. And as we go up, 41.25, I would say, is the next level. Yeah, so there's not a lot going on up here. 41.44 would probably be the next. On the downside, lots of support. 40.61, 40.58, overnight low, 40.51. Those are all going to be strong levels. 40.41. My favorite there is that 38.38. Remember, we talked about that many times. 40.38. That's it. That's really all there is. We'll just have to wait and see if this good news gets digested well and if they can maintain that high from the daily. If we can, from the daily chart here, if we can stay above this swing high of 40.73 and get a close above that, very bullish for the chart. That being said, Stock Traders Almanac. Let's see. Stock Traders Almanac today for the 30th is 57.1. 57.1. So a slight positive bias to the upside historically. Hope you guys have a great day. See you tomorrow.